make a roasted turkey, but I'm going to infuse it with thyme. I have a stick of butter. I have a bunch of thyme that I've chopped up. Remove the stems. I got my salt and pepper. I got a little bit of granulated garlic in there that I'm going to sprinkle with after I stuff it. There we have it, folks. My thyme infused roasted turkey. Man, it looks good. I'm going to use the pan drippings to make a sauce, using some heavy cream and some butter, a little bit of shallots, and it'll come out real nice. It'll complement the turkey. Turkey cooked for about 4 hours. Like I told you before, I started at 450 for 15 minutes. I reduced the heat to 300, and it produced this lovely looking turkey here. It depends upon the size. As far as the turkey time, suggest you read the directions on the label, and it's pretty straightforward. A little white thing that pops out when it's finished. As the meat starts to tighten, it pushes that thing up. So that's how you know it's done. This turkey is about 6 to 7 pounds. Like I said, it cooked for 4 hours. It just depends. With all the excitement, I kind of forgot how much it weighed. Gotta try this thyme infused roasted turkey. Try something new.